Did you know that tucked in the dark corners of your medicine cabinet, you have liquid gold whose few drops can work wonders? Let's talk about castor oil, an age-old home remedy lost in obscurity as a surefire cure for constipation. You heard us right. That iconic bottle that you have seen in Tom and Jerry and other cartoons is not a comic gag but is actually one of the most useful items in your house. Castor oil is not limited to when your tummy doesn't tumble. Take out that bottle of castor oil and wipe off the dust. It's time to put this versatile magic draft to good use. Castor oil is a versatile vegetable oil obtained from the seeds of the castor plant. In some cultures, castor plants are considered symbols of prosperity and are grown for good luck. Castor oil has ancient origins and has been used in traditional medicine systems, including Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. While it is traditionally used as a laxative due to its stimulant effects on the intestines, ancient texts have noted an underrated use of castor oil for skin conditions and wounds, and as a general health tonic. If you ever check the ingredients in your body care products, castor oil is a commonly used ingredient in cosmetics, skincare, and hair care products for its moisturizing properties and ability to promote hair health and growth. What do you think would happen if you added castor oil to your daily routine? Stay tuned to find out 10 incredible benefits of using castor oil before you go to bed in this ultimate guide to castor oil. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We look out for your health with amazing wellness tips for a healthy life, and we would love for you to be a part of our community of warriors. Number 1. Healthy and vitalized skin. Incorporating castor oil into your nightly skincare regimen can help promote healthy, hydrated, and youthful-looking skin. Castor oil contains a high concentration of ricinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid with emollient properties. Ricinoleic acid helps create a protective barrier on the skin's surface, preventing moisture loss and keeping the skin hydrated. Applying castor oil before bed allows it to deeply penetrate the skin overnight, providing ample time to work its moisturizing magic, leaving the skin soft, supple, and rejuvenated by morning. Castor oil possesses antimicrobial properties, primarily attributed to its ricinoleic acid content. By inhibiting the growth of acne-causing bacteria such as Propionibacterium acnes, castor oil helps reduce the occurrence of breakouts, promoting clearer and healthier-looking skin over time. The fatty acids present in castor oil, including ricinoleic acid, can penetrate deep into the skin and stimulate the production of collagen and elastin fibers. Increased collagen and elastin production result in improved skin elasticity, helping to firm and tighten the skin. By hydrating the skin and boosting collagen production, castor oil can diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. Applying castor oil before bed allows the skin to undergo repair and regeneration during sleep, maximizing the anti-aging benefits of the oil. Number 2. Enhances hair growth and texture. Castor oil is rich in nutrients, including vitamin E, omega-6 fatty acids, and ricinoleic acid, which nourish the scalp and hair follicles. Massaging castor oil into the scalp before bed helps stimulate blood circulation, delivering essential nutrients to the hair follicles and promoting hair growth. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which can help maintain hair health and strengthen hair roots, reducing hair fall. Castor oil has a thick consistency that allows it to penetrate deep into the hair shaft, moisturizing dry and brittle hair from within. Regular application of castor oil to the hair ends helps seal split ends and prevent further damage, resulting in smoother and healthier-looking hair. By moisturizing and conditioning the hair, castor oil can improve hair texture, making it softer, silkier, and more manageable. Number 3. Natural remedy for earaches. When warm castor oil is applied to the ear canal, it can help reduce inflammation in the ear tissues, easing pain associated with earaches. The warmth of the castor oil can provide a soothing sensation to the affected ear, alleviating discomfort and promoting relaxation. Castor oil can also help moisturize the ear canal, which may be beneficial if the earache is caused by dryness or irritation. Castor oil has been used as a traditional remedy for ear infections and related discomfort for centuries. Its natural properties make it a safe and gentle option for earache relief. How to use castor oil for earaches. Gently warm a small amount of castor oil to body temperature. You can do this by placing the bottle in warm water for a few minutes. Using a clean dropper, carefully administer a few drops of warm castor oil into the ear canal and lie down on the opposite side of the ear to allow the oil to penetrate deeply into the ear canal. Place a cotton ball gently in the outer ear to prevent the oil from leaking out and allow the castor oil to remain in the ear overnight while you sleep. Number 4. Natural laxative. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that acts as a stimulant laxative. When ingested orally, ricinoleic acid binds to receptors on smooth muscle cells in the intestines, particularly the colon. This binding triggers contractions of the intestinal muscles, promoting bowel movement and facilitating the expulsion of stool. Castor oil's laxative effect can provide effective relief from occasional constipation by stimulating bowel movements and alleviating discomfort associated with irregularity. While castor oil is potent in its laxative action, it generally produces gentle and predictable results. Unlike harsh chemical laxatives, castor oil works with the body's natural processes to promote bowel regularity without causing cramping or dependency when used responsibly. Taking castor oil before bed allows it to work overnight, leveraging the body's natural resting state to promote bowel movements. By the time you wake up in the morning, you may experience the desired laxative effect, leading to a more comfortable bowel movement and alleviating any discomfort associated with constipation. Number 5. Relieves joint pain. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil exhibits potent anti-inflammatory properties. When applied topically, it can penetrate the skin and reach deep into the joints, reducing inflammation and swelling associated with conditions like arthritis. Inflammatory processes often contribute to joint pain by causing tissue damage and irritation. By alleviating inflammation, castor oil can help alleviate pain and discomfort in the affected joints. Castor oil offers a natural alternative to conventional pain-relieving medications and topical creams, which may come with unwanted side effects or dependencies. Number 6. Scalp health and nourishment. Castor oil contains compounds with antifungal properties, including ricinoleic acid, which can help combat fungal infections on the scalp that contribute to dandruff. The moisturizing effect of castor oil helps hydrate the scalp, reducing dryness and flakiness, and by reducing inflammation, castor oil can alleviate itching, a common symptom of dandruff. Castor oil also helps regulate the pH level of the scalp, which is essential for maintaining its natural balance. An imbalanced scalp pH can lead to various scalp issues, including excess oiliness or dryness, which may contribute to hair problems such as greasiness, dandruff, or hair loss. By maintaining an optimal pH level, castor oil supports a healthy environment for hair follicles, promoting stronger, healthier hair growth. Number 7. Immunity support. Castor oil applied topically over the abdomen before bed is believed to stimulate the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system plays a crucial role in the body's immune response by removing toxins, waste products, and cellular debris from tissues. It acts as the body's drainage system, transporting immune cells, such as lymphocytes and antibodies, throughout the body to fight off pathogens and infections. A healthy lymphatic system ensures efficient immune surveillance and response, helping the body defend against bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. By enhancing lymphatic circulation, castor oil helps facilitate the removal of metabolic waste, toxins, and other harmful substances from the body. This detoxification process supports overall health and enhances the body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses. Number 8. Soothes muscle soreness. Ricinoleic acid in castor oil is known to exhibit potent anti-inflammatory properties. When applied topically to sore muscles, ricinoleic acid penetrates the skin and works to reduce inflammation in the affected area. By decreasing inflammation, castor oil can help reduce swelling and discomfort associated with muscle soreness, allowing for greater ease of movement and improved comfort. Sore muscles often result from tension and tightness due to physical exertion, exercise, or prolonged periods of sitting or standing. Castor oil's muscle-relaxing properties help ease tension and promote relaxation in the affected muscles. Massaging castor oil into sore muscles before bed stimulates blood flow to the area. Improved circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to the muscles, aiding in the repair process and alleviating soreness. Applying castor oil to sore muscles before sleep allows the oil to remain in contact with the skin and muscles for an extended period. This prolonged exposure enhances its effectiveness in providing relief and promoting muscle recovery overnight. As you rest during sleep, the body undergoes natural repair processes. Castor oil complements the body's healing mechanisms, facilitating faster recovery from muscle soreness. Number 9. Nail health. Castor oil is rich in nourishing fatty acids and vitamin E, which penetrate the nail bed and cuticles to moisturize and hydrate them deeply. By providing essential nutrients and hydration, castor oil helps prevent dryness and brittleness, keeping nails flexible and less prone to breakage. Vitamin E present in castor oil acts as an antioxidant, protecting nails from damage caused by free radicals and environmental stressors. Castor oil's nourishing properties stimulate blood circulation to the nail bed, promoting faster and healthier nail growth. Improved blood flow enhances the delivery of nutrients and oxygen to the nails, encouraging stronger and more resilient nail growth. Applying castor oil to the cuticles helps soften and moisturize them, preventing dryness and hangnails. Healthy cuticles are essential for protecting the nail matrix and promoting strong, healthy nail growth. Number 10. Better sleep. Massaging castor oil onto the skin or scalp can induce a sense of relaxation and tranquility. The gentle pressure of massage combined with the soothing properties of castor oil helps alleviate tension in the muscles and promote a state of calmness. The act of self-massage and the aroma of castor oil can help reduce stress levels by triggering the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones. This can help alleviate anxiety and promote a sense of well-being conducive to restful sleep. Castor oil possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe sore muscles and alleviate discomfort. By massaging it onto tense areas of the body, such as the neck, shoulders, and back, individuals can experience relief from physical tension, allowing the body to unwind more effectively. Using castor oil as part of a bedtime routine signals to the body that it's time to unwind and prepare for sleep. Pairing it with other relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing or gentle stretching, can create an optimal sleep environment conducive to quality rest. The relaxation induced by the application of castor oil may facilitate faster sleep onset, reducing the time it takes to fall asleep and minimizing sleep disturbances throughout the night. By promoting relaxation and stress reduction, castor oil can contribute to deeper and more restorative sleep cycles. This allows the body to undergo essential processes of repair and rejuvenation during the night, leading to waking up feeling more refreshed and energized. Oh my dear warriors, did you know these wonderful effects of castor oil? Remember that castor oil is very potent and it is necessary to use it in the right proportions. Test a tiny amount on your skin before incorporating it into your routine to avoid any complications. If you ever notice any side effects after adding castor oil to your routine, consult your healthcare provider to see if you have any tolerance issues with castor oil or if there is something else that's the issue. Cheers to wellness and health. This is Wellness Warriors with another life-changing experience on how to take control of your healthy lifestyle. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the latest health tips and tricks to a better life. Thank you for watching. See you again next time on Wellness Warriors.